So please keep in mind that it's not just about how you study, where you study also matters. One of the factors which is most important yet commonly neglected during one's preparation, where you study. In fact, where you study plays a very important role in success or failure of your preparation. Just imagine you're sitting at a particular position or at a particular place for prolonged duration. It only leads to passivation and ultimately demotivation. So, choosing study spaces during your preparation phase is very, very important. In fact, a couple of years ago, we did one video on the same, and this is again revisiting the strategies which we discussed previously as the exam is approaching. Always keep in mind that sitting at a particular place throughout the day brings passivation or demotivation, as I already mentioned. In order to overcome this particular problem or challenge, it's important that you keep switching spaces. So you can do the following, like morning session, you can sit at a particular place, like maybe your study room, and afternoon session, maybe balcony, evening session, maybe a terrace or veranda, or even your friend's house, if you think the situations there are conducive. In my preparation, I used to visit one of my professor's clinic, and he was kind enough, Dr. Sunil, he was kind enough to offer me some space in his clinic. There was a separate room where I could study. The best thing you can do is, if you have access to library, go to library every day if possible, at a particular period of time, like morning 9 to afternoon 1 or morning 9 to evening 5, depending upon your convenience. So going to library, switching spaces, these factors, even though you think they are not so significant, will play a very important role in success or failure of your preparation. And ultimately, the objective here is to overcome passivation or demotivation. So what is the scientific basis for this? See, before I give you some scientific basis for what I have proposed, just imagine you visiting a new place. How do you feel? Obviously, you feel energized, you feel excited, you feel more alive because of new stimulus. So that's the basis on which this particular suggestion works out very efficiently. I've tried it during my preparation, and just give it a try. You'll experience the difference in a matter of few days. I hope it's helpful, and for any further queries or clarifications, feel free to WhatsApp me 24/7. Love you all.